Hi, I'm Sarah. Do you mind if I sit here?
Oh, not at all. Go ahead, Sarah. I'm David. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, David. So, how do you know the hosts?
I work with Tom, the host. We both work at a car parts store. And you?
I know Emma, Tom's wife. We work together at an office downtown. She invited me last week, and I thought it would be fun to come. I haven't been to a barbecue in a while.
Emma seems really nice. I've only met her a few times at work events, but she's always friendly.
She is. So, you and Tom work together. How long have you been at the store?
It's been about 3 years now. I help with sales and some customer service. Tom is more on the technical side. He's always fixing something or giving advice on car engines.
That's interesting. I don't know much about cars, but it sounds like a useful job. Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, it's fun. I've always liked cars, so it's cool to work with them every day. And you, do you like your job?
I do, most days. It's a lot of paperwork and phone calls, but the team is great, and Emma makes the office more fun.
Hey guys, what are you talking about?
Oh, hi. We're just talking about work. I'm Sarah, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Mike. I've known Tom since we were kids.
That's right. Mike here has known Tom forever. They grew up together, right?
Yep, since we were about 7 years old. We've gotten into a lot of trouble together over the years.
Oh, really? Like what?
Well, once when we were about 12, we decided to build a treehouse. It sounded like a good idea, but we didn't have any tools, so we used whatever we could find around the yard. Of course, it didn't work, and the whole thing fell apart.
That's hilarious. Did anyone get hurt?
Luckily, no, but Tom's dad wasn't too happy when he found out. He had to come and clean up the mess.
That sounds like a fun memory. Do you and Tom still hang out often?
Yeah, we try to. Life gets busy, but we still get together on weekends. We usually watch sports or just catch up. What about you guys? How do you know Tom and Emma?
I work with Emma at an office. We're both part of the marketing team.
And I work with Tom at a car parts store. We see each other every day.
Oh, that's great. It's nice when you can hang out with work friends outside of the job.
Definitely. It's nice to meet people in a more relaxed setting like this.
So, Mike, what do you do for work?
I'm a teacher. I teach history at a high school not far from here. It's challenging, but I really enjoy it.
That's awesome. I imagine teaching must be rewarding, right?
Yeah, can be. Some days are tough, but when you see a student really understand something or show interest, it makes it all worth it. What about you, Sarah? Do you enjoy working in marketing?
I do. It's interesting to see how businesses grow and reach new people. I mostly help with social media and advertising.
I'm not great with social media. Do you have to post a lot?
Yeah, I manage the company's social accounts, so I post almost every day. It keeps me busy.
I can imagine. So, what does everyone love most about barbecues?
I love the food, especially when it's grilled right. I'm hoping to get a burger later.
I'm with you, Sarah. I can't wait for a burger. Tom's barbecues are always great. He really knows how to cook meat perfectly.
Yeah, Tom is the king of the grill. I'm here for the ribs. He makes the best ribs I've ever had. Do you guys barbecue often?
I only go to barbecues in the summer. I don't have a grill at home, so I wait for events like this.
I have a small grill, so I try to do it a few times during the year. But it's always more fun when you're with friends.
I agree. Barbecuing is better when it's a group thing. So, Mike, do you have any more funny stories about you and Tom?
Oh, so many. Let me think. Oh, I remember this one time we went camping with a few friends. We thought we could fish for our dinner, but we didn't catch anything, and we ended up eating snacks all night instead.
Sounds like you two have had some great adventures.
Oh, yeah, we've had a lot of fun over the years. I'm glad we've stayed friends for so long.
It's great to hear about long friendships like that. I've moved a lot, so it's hard to keep in touch with old friends.
Same here. I moved here for work a few years ago, so I'm still getting to know people, but Tom has been really welcoming.
That's nice to hear. Tom's always been good at making people feel welcome. He and Emma are both like that.
They make a great couple. Have they been married for long?
About 5 years now, I think. They got married right after Tom started at the store.
5 years. That's nice. They seem really happy together.
They are. It's great to see.
So, Mike, any hobbies besides teaching?
I like hiking and photography. I try to get outside as much as possible when I'm not grading papers.
Hiking sounds fun. Maybe we could all go together sometime. Let's plan it.
I'd love that. It's always good to get out into nature.
Count me in. It's always more fun with a group.
Agreed. So, should we go check if the food's ready? I'm getting hungry.
Yes, let's go. I can smell the burgers already.
I'll come with you. I can't wait to try Tom's famous ribs.
Great. Let's go before it's all gone.
Let's go.